Fucking Vybz Kartel, you a fucking bitch, nigga. Alkaline better than you nigga. Alkaline been better than you, nigga. That's why years ago when I used to follow Alkaline, you messaged me and told me not to follow him, and do I ever lie?
Fresh drop.
No, I don't. You told me to unfollow Alkaline because you were jealous of him. You're nothing but a bitch, Kartel. You owe all your fucking artist royalties. That's why you can fucking buy all these mansions and shit like that, because the baddest female song you've ever made was Gates of Heaven. Well, not maybe the baddest, but one of the best, besides Vanessa Bling. Have you ever paid her royalties? She has to work for everything she has. A good thing I'm rich and my parents are rich. I don't have to beg anybody for anything, especially you. Fucking Vybz Kartel, you a fucking bitch, nigga.
Fresh
And you want to see
drop.
real bad man? Come to St. Lucia. I'll show you a real bad man.